Welcome to another video from Tech Basics. In this video, we are going to be learning how to log out of Candy Crush Saga from your Facebook account. To log out of Candy Crush Saga from your Facebook account, first of all, go ahead and launch open the Candy Crush Saga application on your device. And once you're inside the home page, tap on the gear button at the top right corner. This will pop you open your settings menu. Tap on My Account and then click on the Logout button at the bottom of the screen. You will then be asked to confirm your decision if you really like to log out of Candy Crush Saga from your Facebook. Tap on the Logout button once again to confirm, and then you are successfully logged out. So that's how you easily log out or disconnect Candy Crush Saga from Facebook. Logging out will disconnect your game from Facebook, but your game progress will still be safe if it's saved to your King account or backed up via Facebook previously. So that is how it's easily done. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, make sure to give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.